Welcome to the Jason Peterson NFT series. In order to place a bid, make sure your MetaMask is hooked up and is funded with AVAX. If you currently don't have AVAX, you can click on this Get AVAX button. Once you've funded your MetaMask, go ahead and click Connect. This will connect your MetaMask to the website. Next, go down to Bid. You can check out the current bids by scrolling down, and here are the current bids and their tallies. You'll see that the last bid was for 0.1 AVAX. So once we click bid, we'll see we need to bid at least 0.01 AVAX above that. So in this case, 0.11. We'll go ahead and bid 0.12, place the bid, confirm the transaction with MetaMask, and within a few seconds, the transaction will go through and we'll see if we're the highest bidder. Our transaction went through, and we can see in the bottom right here, we are currently the highest bidder. Good luck at the auction.